Are you preparing a Google Ads campaign, but you want to know the best way to do keyword research? In this video, I'll show you the best keyword research method for Google Ads so you can run successful campaigns and stop wasting money. So let's get started. Okay, so I'm going to show you my keyword research method for Google Ads. That's pretty straightforward, pretty easy, and I would say it falls under three main parts. So the first part of this process is for you to open up a Excel document and just list out brainstorm keywords by yourself. What types of keywords, phrases your customers might be typing into Google. Okay, so let's just say we are a personal injury lawyer in Los Angeles and we want to get more leads from people looking for a personal injury attorney, right? So let's just brainstorm some ideas. So we can say a keyword would be personal injury lawyer Los Angeles. Another one could be workers' compensation lawyer in Los Angeles. Also workers' comp attorney in Los Angeles. Now, once you have a list of keywords, I like to go even deeper. Okay, so I also like to start from the end. Look at your landing page and try to figure out from that landing page what additional keywords you can add to this list, right? So let's just say this is our website and we have a list of practice areas here and we want to get more workers' compensation leads. So we're going to go to this landing page and go through this copy and just pull some keywords, right? What types of keywords you can pull that you can add to your list. Now, I also like to use keywords everywhere to find my organic ranking keywords for this page. Okay, so you're going to click on the Chrome extension. So this is a Chrome extension. So you want to click on it and click on organic ranking keywords for this URL. And keywords everywhere will show me all the keywords that this page is ranking for. It'll show me the estimated traffic, the SERP position, the monthly search volume, the average cost per click, the competition score from 0 to 1, the search trend over the past 12 months, and then the trending percentage. So this table gives me a lot of very helpful information in helping me determine what types of keywords I can add to my initial list, right? So a handful of keywords stand out to me immediately, right? So workers' compensation attorney. Okay, so this one is a good one. It does drive quite a bit of traffic to this page, and I'm ranking number 5. When it comes to ranking on Google, it's always good to try to claim as much real estate on the first page as possible, especially if you are competing in a very a cutthroat niche like the attorney space, right? So it would be a good idea if you might be ranking lower on the first page or maybe even on the second page of Google, right? Like workers' compensation lawyer, work comp lawyer, right? We're ranking on the second page of Google, but wouldn't it be nice if we can run an ad for this particular keyword and rank on the first page, right? So we can add this one to our list. We can even add the ones where we are ranking number 1 and 2, right? Just to claim more of that real estate to push our brand out there and give people an opportunity, more opportunities to go to our website versus a competitor's website. Okay, so I'm going to go through this list and just copy and paste the ones that are relevant to me and that more strategically align with what my goals are. So I'm just going to copy and paste some keywords that I find here. Okay, so I have this initial list of keywords. Now, the second step of this process is to go to the Google Ads Keyword Planner. Now, to go to the Keyword Planner, you would need to click on Tools and Settings, and under Planning, just click on Keyword Planner, and then you're going to click on Discover New Keywords. Now, what you need to do is just copy and paste all the keywords in your list right over here. Okay, and then the next step is to enter my website. So I'm going to go here, copy the URL and paste it. Now I'm going to click on Get Results. Okay, so Google Ads has a list of all of these keywords here. Now, before I analyze this list of keywords, I want to change my location. Okay, so since we are in Los Angeles, I'm gonna add Los Angeles over here. Click on target, and I'm gonna remove United States country and click on save. So now my list of keywords is more targeted to my geolocation, right? So this table has some very, very helpful information. So we have the Keywords Everywhere extension turned on. Now with this extension, we have additional columns in this table. So this 4 columns here do come from Keywords Everywhere, okay? And then the rest do come from Google Ads, all right? So you can see the average monthly searches, the searches over the past 12 months. And you can also see the 3-month change, year-over-year change to see if it's going upwards or downwards. And you can see the competition, all right? So from low, medium, or high. And you can also see the top of page bid from the low range to the high range. So this is kind of the ballpark as to how much you would be paying per click if you want to show up at the top of the page. All right. Now, the next step is to export this table. So you're going to click on Download Keyword Ideas, click on CSV, and we're going to save it. We're going to open it up. Okay, so this is our CSV. So now what we want to do is analyze this list of keywords and the data right here. Okay, so we're going to go through here, see what makes sense for our website, look at the average monthly searches, right? Look at the competition, and also the top of page, low range and high range, right? So you have a budget, so you kind of have an idea of how much you would want to spend per click. Okay, so go through this list right here, and I added some additional keywords in this list. So now the next step is to organize this list into different campaigns, ad groups. I like to organize my list of keywords into themes. Okay, so you could go through this list and see what types of themes, words that you see come up again and again, and just bucket them together. Okay, so I organized my keywords into different ad groups and campaigns. Okay, so I have workers' compensation and personal injury campaign, and then I split it up by location, like Los Angeles, general, even workman's comp specific types of keywords or words within the search phrase, near me. Okay, so just organize it into different types of themes. Now, why is this helpful? This is helpful because it helps with ad copy. Okay, so you can create very, very specific ad copy that fits the search terms people are typing in. It also helps with messaging your landing page correctly. Now, it's important to have a landing page that matches the search intent and also the keyword that someone would type in. That's really important to making sure you have good conversions in your Google Ads campaign. So just an overview of the Google Ads account structure. This is a really good table, and you have your account, right, for your business, and you have different campaigns within your account. And under each campaign, you have different ad groups, like what we have right over here. And then under that, we have the keywords. Okay, so this is basically what we are doing. Okay, and then we already have our landing page, right? We started from the landing page and we kind of worked our way up. And next we can upload our keywords into Google Ads. So this is my process of doing keyword research for Google Ads, and it will really help you organize your keywords in a very thoughtful way because you started from the landing page and worked your way up. If you did enjoy this video, go and hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. And if you want to check out our other keyword research videos, feel free to click any of the ones on the screen. Thank you so much, and we will see you in the next one.